Hey guys, Eric, ProTexRemodeling.com, Grand Prairie. So we're out here in Irving. This is our Craneboard laminated siding job. And on this job here, we actually did, now we didn't do the windows. That was our nemesis over at Powers that you've seen in my other videos that they actually didn't install them the way they said, but that's a whole nother conversation. What we did do, we stained this brick, so it used to be like a tan color. It's not tan anymore. We cleaned up over the garage door. They had a bunch of trim and stuff up there, so we took all that down and made that the siding wrap all the way around. We took the brick off the front of the house. So there used to be brick on the front right there. We took that off. We're up here. The guys are putting on the final fascia boards on the front right now, and then we're going to run this siding. We've got a real wood door that the customer supplied. We usually don't do that, but they wanted a wood door and I don't have them. So we're going to put a wood door in here tomorrow. Chimney cap, somebody else had already done. The gutters are the gutters that were up there before. We just took them down and put them back up. And over here, we still are not done yet. We've got to get our fascia boards on over here, get some more flashing done over here. We're getting close. Weather's been really putting a damper on getting this thing done. We've been stuck out here for like 3 weeks, but it is what it is. We don't rush through these jobs. Had to put a couple foundation vents down there. Electric company killed the power. We put metal behind there and we J-channeled the electrical because we couldn't get the fuse box and the electrical off the wall to be able to side behind it, but it's fine. It's all weatherproof. This is our work area. It's a mess. It's where we do all our cutting. This side here, same thing. We still don't have the fascia on. We got some finishing stuff. Scaffold's still up. So we'll be done here, I don't know, 3 more days. We're going to replace that patio door right there and put our Ultra Glide patio door in there for them, which is going to be like night and day. That came with the house, the one that's in there now. Nothing wrong. Well, I won't say nothing wrong with it. It's just wore out. But it's a decent door. It's just with builder's grade door and it wore out. So you can see here, got all our scaffolding picks up here. We like to do, we got pump jacks too, but we like to do this safely. We don't want to get anybody hurt when they're on your property. So we're careful what we do. We run our seams facing the backyard instead of when you look from over there at the street, you don't see them. From over here you can see them because we're at the back of the house. So we try to run our seams away from the point of view. Craneboard is a nice panel. What I do not like about Craneboard, and I've been fighting this for years with this siding, is the way the seams lay down. There's not, and they've made some changes to the panel to improve it, but they've still got some issues with their seams. And this stuff is expensive, and for the kind of money people are spending, it's my view that these manufacturers should be given a top quality product for the kind of money they're getting, because it translates into retail. This job here, I want to say it was in the high 30s, 37, 38, 39,000, something like that. I think it was 39 is what it came out to be final. So people are spending a lot of money on this stuff, and I expect it to be top notch. So Craneboard's a good panel, but there's better options in my opinion. Now look, this stuff's laminated. It's got insulation behind it. You get a hail warranty. It's an inch and a quarter thick. And it's a good panel. It's 50 thousandths, which is thick. If they could solve their seam problems, I'd say it's a great panel. In here, they wanted some light in the garage, right? So we cut a hole in here. And unlike our other video that you've seen where the people put them big iron doors in that lady's house, this is not a big iron door. It's a 128-inch window. But you can see what we did is we ran a dual header right up against the top plate, put that bad boy all the way up there. So there's no weight above it. Well, there's weight above us, but the majority of the weight is over here for the house. This is just about 4 feet of roof line that the guys are working on right now. So there's not a lot of weight above this window, but still put a header in there. This whole wall was twisted, so we had to untwist it. And it shows somewhere. Here it ended up showing basically it ended up showing on the back side of the door. You got a gap here. That gap starts to go away, but you know, you can't unsquare a house. So we'll come back here a couple of days when we're almost done and show you where we're at.